Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a baby penguin. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page, and we're going to start by drawing the baby penguin's top of its head. And it's a big arching line over like this. Take your time. You can always pause the video if you need more time. Up and over, a big arch. And we'll stop right about there. And now back where we started, we're going to do the cheeks of the baby penguin. So these are just a curved line like this. And they curve back in. And then they stop right about there. And let's do the same on the other side over here. Curving line in for the cheeks of the penguin. Like that. Okay, now let's do the mask of the head shape where the face is. So starting right about here, we'll do a curved line like this, and then we're going to do an arching line up like this and stop right about here. Up. And stop right about there. And let's do the same on this side. So starting over here, we're going to do a line over like this and stop. And then we'll do an arching line up and over. And stop right about there. Okay, let's do the beak of the penguin. This is just going to be an arching line over like this. And then we're going to stop right about there. Let's do the bottom. Right where we started that other one. We're going to go down and then back up. And now let's do the mouth. Down and up like that. Okay, let's draw the eyes. So one eye right here, and these are just circles. So starting here, we're just going to do a circle. Take your time. There's no rush. And then back around like that. And we'll do the other side, starting here. A circle down and around. And now let's do some highlights. We'll do a smaller circle inside and a smaller circle inside on this side. And then maybe we do an even smaller one down here and a smaller one down here. And let's color that in black. All right, now let's do the body. So we're going to start by drawing one of the wings. So starting over here on the side of the head, let's just do a hooking line down and we'll hook it back up. And now we'll do the body all the way down and back around. So this is kind of a long line, so take your time. Down like this. And then over. And back up. Like that. Okay, now let's do the belly mask line here. So this starting right here, because the penguins have a white belly a lot of times, down like that. And then over here on this side, bottom of this, the head here, we're gonna go down like this. And we'll stop right about there. Okay, now let's do the other wing of the penguin. So starting here, we're going to just go down and hook back around. All right, and now we just have to do the feet. So starting here at the bottom of the body, we'll do a loopy line like that, one like that, one like that, and then starting here to one toe, two toe, three toe.
I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in.
I'm going to make my baby penguin bright blue. You can make it any color you want.
And we'll make the feet kind of a yellowy orange color, and same with the beak.
Don't forget to sign your doodle.
Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe for a new doodle every day.